Samsung Galaxy F16 5G full review. It's applicable for M16, which is available in the Amazon, and this is Flipkart product. And A16 will be having some slight differences again, but mostly it will be used for all the three smartphones. But I recommend this one and the M16 5G. Both the links are given in the description. But again, remember, very soon we'll be going to get uh, Amazon Great Indian Festival, sir, India's biggest sale, and also yearly major sale that is. And in Flipkart, we're going to get Flipkart Big Billion Day sale in 2025. Nearly it will be September 1st or 2nd week. Hardly we have 1 month, 1.5 months when I'm shooting this video, but when I am watching this video, if you are near to that sale, please wait and get more discounted price, like for 6 GB and 128 GB variant of this Samsung Galaxy F16 5G or the M16 5G might get it around 10,500, including all discounts, coupon discounts and bank discounts I'm speaking. If it get even lower, then you should definitely grab this out. It has very good display and everything. I actually using it from couple of months now. This is my primary smartphone. I've been using this as a primary smartphone from last 5-6 months now. It's been really great actually. The experience, I'll be sharing my in-depth review regarding this product. Should we buy this for that 10,000 to 12,000 price segment? 8 GB variant will cost a little higher, but I don't think so you need to spend that much to go for this smartphone. 4 GB variant I don't recommend. Go with 6 GB and 128 GB variant. And without wasting any time, guys, let's begin this video. See the smartphone, we will see the build quality of this smartphone. Earlier Samsung smartphones were not that great, guys. I'm been speaking the previous versions of these versions, the M15 or even M35, like that, the older versions, those build quality was not that great. But coming to this particular F16, what I have here, its build quality is very good, guys. We don't see any damaged part or anything like that. That what we have seen in the earlier days, the plastic coming out from the chip or plastic something coming out from the body. That was the case previously, but Samsung has fixed that issue. Now the build quality of these budget smartphones from Samsung is really good. I'm saying it's as comparable to high-end smartphones, but just they use the plastic here, polycarbonate. Okay, that's fine. I can say for the budget range, it's a polycarbonate. Even the frame is also polycarbonate. Again, the display size is 6.65 inch here. They are using. It's not too tiny or too long here. But what I can say is this notch, guys, they would have given the punch hole display, but this is the trend currently to give the punch hole display. But still, they are giving this notch here. I don't think so. Okay, if you keep that aside, and this build quality, the display quality, you can see here how great the display quality it is. It's really good, bright. It's an AMOLED, super AMOLED display from Samsung. They manufacture those displays here. It's an AMOLED panel, guys. It's bright enough even in the sunlight and even in the indoor. Yes, you will not get that DC dimming features and high-end features what we can see in S24 Ultra, and those kind of high-end device features are not available. You cannot lower the brightness as low as 0 nits, but still it's quite enough for this price segment, I can say. If you want to spend more, you can look at S24 FE. There the display quality is huge difference compared to this. Both manufacture Samsung only, but that's the difference between the products from Samsung itself. Again, that's the thing. And yeah, that's the display quality. I haven't noticed any problems regarding the build quality and even the display quality, and display production is also fine here. I just applied a tempered glass, and I also use a case. Getting case was also a little bit annoying for this particular smartphone earlier, but later I got multiple options to purchase even from the offline and online. Regarding that, I don't have any complaint. And basic things like call recording and calling experience and signal reception and typing experience are really good in this Samsung Galaxy F16 5G. I'm happy with the basic needs what all we get: texting, the message, haptic feedback, strength, and taking calls and navigation through um, maps and Google Maps and some of the navigation apps like Zomato and all. Everything was working really good, and using payment applications like Google Pay, Phone Pay, Amazon Pay, whatever use I haven't faced any issues, guys, and it is a 5G smartphone, guys. It is using that Dimensity 6300 chipset. Signal reception, I'm using BSNL. Particularly, I want to say this BSNL SIM here. I'm residing in Ballari here, Karnataka, from Karnataka. But see, now, what I've noticed is BSNL SIM itself having some problem. But again, if I place this SIM into high-end device, I may not get a huge problem. But here I am getting some signal reception problems due to the BSNL, not with the smartphone. If you want to use it with Jio or Airtel, you will not going to get any problems. That I want to tell you clearly. It depends upon the SIM network provider also. I haven't faced that much issues also, but compared to the other devices and other networks, I'm facing some issues. I need to switch from BSNL to Airtel. I already tried Jio, and my earlier was VI. I mean, just idea. Now I want to shift to Airtel. Let's see once this happen. I mean, the recharge validity complete. I'll switch it to Airtel. But as of now, with BSNL, I'm getting 4G speeds. I usually use Wi-Fi in my home. Airtel 200 Mbps plan. Internet connectivity wise, I haven't faced any issues through Wi-Fi even with mobile data connections. But due to the BSNL guys switching between 4G and H plus, whatever we call 3G, 3G plus, it will be switching like that based upon. And whenever I get a call, either the call will disconnect or internet connectivity will not going to be good. That is the issues with BSNL, not with the smartphone again. Uh, yeah, everything is fine in my opinion. The basic things and call reception and speaker quality and some of the software features what they have is used is focus voice focus feature is given, which is really helpful for me. And the basic budget smartphone from Samsung this is, but they are providing that kind of software features. Even AI features like circle to search and all the other features are given here. And regarding the uh, AI features and software experience is really good. One UI 6.1 it was released and with Android 14, and I got Android 15 update with One UI 7.0 update. That's really good, guys. And they will also provide 6 years of major upgrades from One UI 6. You can assume Android 14 plus 6, Android 20, like that. Updates are given to this particular smartphone, the Galaxy F16 5G, guys. It's a great option for budget friendly smartphone, especially for a software experience and the good build quality and the display quality. And coming to the battery here, 5000 mAh battery as compared to the previous model, 1000 mAh has been reduced. And again, weight of this smartphone is also reduced here. It's around 195 grams. Earlier it was about 200 grams. Just the 1000 mAh of battery has been reduced here. Again, guys, in current trend we are seeing silicon carbide technology battery, but that is not the case in this smartphone. It's a budget friendly smartphone, and it's a old kind of technology using. We are still using lithium ion or lithium polymer batteries, hence it will be thicker the smartphone, but still they managed to give 5000 mAh battery. Definitely from the 6000 mAh battery to the 5000 mAh battery, you will feel that 5 to 10% battery life has been reduced compared to the previous version. But still I can say you will pull it up to 1 day using basic use like texting, social media apps, and here and there watching YouTube videos and some of the OTT applications you run. The display quality is fine here, AMOLED. Hence, the Dimensity 6300 chipset is also not that power hungry. It's an very good chipset, guys, power efficient chipset, but it's useful for basic needs only. Just you want to play uh, whatever the Free Fire Max like that games, it's okay. But BGM again, I don't. Uh, I recommend to play games for a 10,000 smartphone. But again, if you want to play casual games, you can do that from this smartphone. And overall, if you think about purchasing this smartphone, what all the benefits are going to get? Definitely the software experience, guys, and the software updates. No smartphone in this price point, you will get 6 years of major updates. Okay. 5 years, you can think it's already Android 15 update has been rolled out for this Samsung Galaxy F16 or the M16 or the A16 5G. You will get 5 more updates that no one will going to give for this. And what is the drawback I can say is, main drawback is the charger is not included in the box, guys. That is the one thing I can say they would have been given. But again, for the cost cutting and the making this box slim, whatever their ideology, I don't understand. You need to purchase separately the charger and I have been using with Xiaomi 33-watt charging. Guys, with this smartphone, I'm using the same cable, Xiaomi 33-watt charger and cable. It's going to be good. I used for couple of months now. I haven't faced any issues. It is pulling up to 20 to 24 watts sometimes. It is supported 25-watt fast charging, but charger is not included in the box. Samsung, why you done this? I don't understand. Anyhow, that's the problem with the smartphone. Apart from that, I haven't faced any issues, guys. Everything is working fine and everything is fine here. Regarding the camera quality, again, it's very basic, guys. 50 megapixel back camera can capture some images. It will be blur. Yeah, definitely it is blur. It's not sharp, but one thing I can help you guys. I will drop a AGC camera Gcam port. Once using that, I will show some of the samples on the screen. You can check out the before. I mean, with AGC camera and without Gcam, you can check out the sharpness has been drastically improved. That I really liking using that Gcam port. We can solve that camera experience. Even the front megapixel is 13 megapixel. It's also blurry images will get, and don't expect anything in the night situations, guys. Just for day time you can keep it. Again, if you go with other brands like Realme, Poco, they will offer little bit better camera experience and better um, performance experience, but they will miss out on AMOLED display in the price segment. If they give AMOLED display also, it will be slightly higher. Again, if you're looking for a very good smartphone experience of Android with one UI and 5 years of Android updates from Android 15 and decent battery life, and again cameras are okay, if you use Gcam, that will be solid, and it's good 5G smartphone, guys. You can definitely purchase if you're looking for a elder persons like parents and all those who want to use just social media apps and texting in the WhatsApp and making calls. This is a good smartphone, guys. And this is Sampath. You're watching Sampath Sam Facts YouTube channel. We'll be with another interesting video, guys. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.